Yo, what's poppin', y'all? It's going back at it with another reaction. Yes, sir. Here today, we got the My Hero Cats full fight. Overhaul versus Deku and Lemillion. Fan animation by Dylan Goose. So yeah, new to the channel, don't forget to 1, subscribe, 2, leave a like, and 3, comment down below your thoughts on my reaction, your thoughts on this fan animation. So yeah, I reacted to a Demon Slayer cat animation, same person, same content creator by Dylan Goo. If you guys haven't checked that out, that will be down in the description below. That was amazing. And now I'm reacting to the My Hero version. So it looks like they like it says Overhaul versus Deku and Lemillion. So we're gonna see 100% Deku. And obviously, the Lemillion fight against Overhaul first. But yeah, other than that, let's go. Let's get it. Can't wait to see this. Shout out to Dylan Goo. And shout out to the rest of the team as well. Animation is loosely based on events from MHA Season 4. So, yeah. To Lemillion, Aries, the Overhaul, and Crow. This looks great. I feel like this though, I think the Demon Slayer one looks way more polished and everything because it's newer, obviously, and I believe the Demon Slayer animation also uses Blender as well. So, but this in over a year, right? When it came out, 2020 of October. So hell yeah, over a year. It looks great. So. Chief Sasuke. I like that. Now you're about to get shot. He always keeps smiling at the always. Now there's Deku. Neku. Meowdoria. I like it. I like it. There you go, 20% full, 20% Cowlin. Yup, it's for the ground, exactly. Oh, that's cool. Nah, that's cool. Run it back. You see how the camera is just slowly turning around. That's just great choreography right there. Run that back. Look at that. Then with Ragnarok, the Strider combo. That was sick. Nah, that was sick. Nah, that was sick. That was sick. That was sick. That was sick. Look at that. That was sick. That was sick. Yo, this is super flashy, dude. This is cool. Now Overhaul is about to get limit broken. Mm. Here we go. I mean, obviously, Dylan Goo changed certain things around, obviously, just to make it, you know, for his in-canon universe. So that's why I like it. It makes it a little bit different. It keeps the same aspect and same things, but he does certain things differently. So. Now he becomes Vulture. He went to a crow, from crow to vulture. Now he's a big turkey. There we go. I like it. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Delaware Smash? Oh wow. Wow. Just like, whoa, just like in the anime, just like in the manga a little bit, but that was sick. That was sick. That's sick. That's a sick shot. That's a thumbnail shot right there. I love that. Just like in the anime? Oh my god.
Hey Goose, Dylan here. Just want to let you know that the My Hero Academia Cat pins are going to be available only for
shout out to everyone
who
helped Dylan Goo work on this project.
Also, for those who don't know, we do have another cat animation in the works, Avatar, which will be posted on this channel as usual. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want your fan art showcased next to all these talented people, make sure to tag me on Twitter.
Wow, Dylan, yo, that was sick. That was really sick. Wow. Hey, I hope to continue, you know, keep reacting to your stuff and shout, like I said, shout out to the team because yeah, I could always because Dylan is his channel and everything like that. So definitely shout out to you, but also you also gotta give the shout outs to the people who has worked on this as well, from the other animators, from the compositors, even like the mixers, from the music producers who guessed either the music or tried to change up the original song from the series and change it up so that way obviously for no copyright reasons, stuff like that. So shout out to everyone who worked on this project. I would like to see, like, I don't know, Dylan, I don't know if you ever takes requests, and I don't know how long, because animation takes a really long time to do. Hopefully maybe a Naruto one, maybe a Dragon Ball one, maybe like a, I don't know, like a Naruto versus Sasuke from either part 1 or part 2, or even like that would, honestly, that would do supremely numbers. Like, I mean, obviously you're definitely gonna have to work your ass off because this shit takes too long. So I can imagine the amount of stress you and your team has. But like from a Naruto versus Sasuke part 1 or part 2, or even like a Boruto from the Naruto versus Ishiki, that would be freaking sick. Or even Dragon Ball, you could do maybe a UI Goku versus Jiren, or maybe a Gogeta versus Broly type thing. Or even if you want to, you could do Vegito versus Zamasu or something like that. But hopefully you could do a Naruto one, a maybe a Bleach one, maybe a Dragon Ball one. Hopefully in the future, like I said, maybe hopefully I could request that and you do it in the future, and hopefully other people could request that and you could do it in the future. But this is sick, man. Shout out to you guys, shout out to you and your team, and that was sick. Definitely, original link of the video will be down in the description below, as well as my Rengoku reaction will also be down in the description below. Maybe I'll do like a mini playlist, since I'm going to be going through your channel and react to some of your other animations, like the Saitama one, like the Avatar one that you just said. So yeah, that's it for me. You guys stay safe and stay hydrated, y'all. Peace.